After consulting with plumbing professionals who've installed hundreds of whole house filters, I've discovered which systems consistently perform best while avoiding the maintenance nightmares and pressure drops that plague inferior models. Today, I'm revealing which brands are recommended by the pros who actually service these systems long-term. Links to the lowest price for each of the best whole house water filters are in the description box below. With the SpringWell whole house water filter system, you get filtered, great tasting water from every tap in your home. This system is built with a 4-stage design that gives your water maximum contact with the filter media, which helps remove contaminants like chlorine, chloramine, pesticides, and industrial chemicals. The filtration process starts with a KDF media for chemical removal, followed by a catalytic carbon bed that targets organic compounds and improves taste and smell. Then, the water passes through an innovative chamber that maximizes contact time and stops channeling. So, filtration is always consistent. The final stage is a 5-micron sediment filter, which catches dirt, rust, and other particles. One thing you'll like is the reliable water pressure. Even when you have multiple bathrooms using water simultaneously, you don't have to worry about a drop in flow. Units are sized for your household needs, offering up to 20 gallons per minute, so your showers and appliances work as they should. Maintenance is hassle-free. The only regular task is changing the sediment filter every 6 to 9 months, and that's a simple process. You won't be running back and forth for replacement parts all year. If you're handy, installation is friendly enough for DIY enthusiasts, but you can also have a plumber set it up. There's even an optional smart water monitor add-on, letting you track usage and detect leaks with ease, giving you peace of mind while keeping your water clean. Next up on my best whole house water filter system list, we have the popular Aquasana Rhino. When you install the Aquasana Rhino whole house filter, your water gets filtered right at the point where it enters your home. This means every faucet, shower head, and appliance gets clean, filtered water at the source. You can expect a flow rate of up to 7 gallons per minute, which keeps up with typical household needs. For most homes of up to 2.5 bathrooms and 4 people, this model provides plenty of capacity without noticeably affecting water pressure. The Rhino system uses a mix of activated carbon and copper zinc KDF media. The carbon targets chlorine, while the KDF helps fight bacteria and algae, and also works to extend the lifespan of your filter. If you live in an area where chloramine is used in municipal water, a specialized version of the filter is available with upgraded catalytic carbon. You'll also like how long-lasting this filter is. Tested and rated to reduce 97% of chlorine for up to 1 million gallons, or roughly 10 years. That means fewer filter changes and maintenance worries for you. For those concerned about microorganisms, there's an optional UV filter add-on that disables bacteria, viruses, and protozoan cysts. The UV component doesn't alter taste or odor and is considered very energy efficient. All told, with the reliable Aquasana Rhino, you get a steady supply of filtered water for every tap in your home and the priceless peace of mind that comes with it. Next up on my list of the best whole house water filters, if you're looking to address nearly all water contaminants in your home, the U.S. Water Systems Defender Whole House Reverse Osmosis system stands out as a high-performing solution. With this system, you can enjoy purified water from every tap, providing peace of mind whether you're drinking, cooking, or showering. This system uses reverse osmosis technology, which filters out a wide range of impurities, including heavy metals, chlorine, PFOS, PFOA, and even dissolved minerals. Thanks to its robust multi-stage filtration process, the Defender offers consistent water quality that's noticeably different from standard systems. You'll notice improved taste in your water, clearer ice, and even less scaling on appliances. The Defender is designed with high flow capability, so larger homes don't experience drops in water pressure. With its modular design, routine maintenance is straightforward, and many components are easily accessible for servicing. You can expect a durable build with stainless steel elements and top-grade membranes, helping extend the lifespan of the unit. An easy-to-read control panel provides information on system performance, making it simple to monitor and adjust as needed. The Defender is well-suited for both city and well water supplies, handling a variety of source water conditions. Whether you're sensitive to specific chemicals or just want clean, reliable water throughout the house, this heavy-duty system brings a noticeable difference to everyday living. Moving on, if you're looking for the best whole house water filter system that offers the best value for money, then the SoftPro Whole House Chlorine Plus and Fluoride filter is what you need to buy. With this affordable whole house water filter, you get consistent, great tasting water from every tap in your home. This system stands out for handling both chlorine and chloramine, which are common in city water supplies, while also tackling fluoride through its unique bone char carbon blend. You'll notice fresher water for drinking, cooking, and even brushing your teeth, since it removes a wide array of impurities. The filter combines advanced catalytic carbon and bone char carbon media to reduce chemicals, heavy metals, pesticides, and industrial byproducts. This blend allows it to remove up to 99% of chlorine, fluorides, and other contaminants. Installation is suitable for most homes, supporting up to 4 to 6 bathrooms without compromising water flow. Since it uses upflow technology, you get better filtration efficiency and media lifespan, keeping your water pressure strong throughout the house. As one of the best whole house water filter systems on the market, there's no need for chemicals or power, and it won't produce any wastewater. Maintenance is minimal. No filter media needs replacing for anywhere from 6 to 10 years or 600,000 to 1 million gallons, so you can just set it up and enjoy clean water for years. The included neoprene tank jacket helps prevent condensation, protecting your filter and making it look neat. If you want reliable, long-lasting filtration that targets the toughest contaminants found in municipal water, this system is designed to deliver peace of mind every day. So, what is the best whole house water filter? Well, it's a close call between the top two products, but overall, I'd say that the Home Water UPSTREAM is the best whole house water filter for a lot of people. When you want cleaner water throughout your house, the UPSTREAM 4-stage whole home water filter is designed to make life a lot easier. Its patented upflow design stands out because the filter media is automatically backwashed without needing electricity. This feature means less hands-on maintenance and continuous filtration action. You get a blend of red flint, KDF 55, and catalytic carbon working together to filter out particulates, heavy metals, chlorine, VOCs, PFOS, and PFAS. This combo not only improves the taste and odor of your water, but also helps protect your plumbing and appliances from the effects of these contaminants. Changing the pre-filter is straightforward due to the top loading filter housing. It only takes a few seconds, so you won't need to schedule time-consuming filter changes. With push-fit adapters and an integrated distributor, you'll also find the installation process to be quick and homeowner-friendly. The filter is rated for up to 1 million gallons, so you won't be replacing it anytime soon if you have average water usage. If you're looking for filtered water from every tap, this system is set up to give you peace of mind with less hassle. The no salt, no electricity approach makes it easy to maintain and environmentally conscious, fitting seamlessly into most household routines. Every shower with chlorinated water dries your skin. Every glass from the tap exposes you to contaminants. Every appliance suffers from unfiltered water damage. The best whole house water filter solves all these problems simultaneously, protecting your family and home from the moment water enters your property. One solution, complete protection, immediate peace of mind. Links to each water filter are in the description box below.